Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make lights blink in Blender using the non-linear animation editor. You can download this model from Sketchfab. In order to make this light blink, we'll go ahead and select the light, and under the strength for the emission, we want to add the keyframe. So if you look at my shader editor, you can see that I used an emission and linked it to the volume. But where we want to go to is open the non-linear animation tab, and we'll add the keyframe. And if you go down, you can see the keyframe we added. So I want the emission strength at the beginning at 30. You can use whatever suits your scene. And we'll click to add a keyframe and move forward. Add another keyframe at 30. Then we can move 2 frames and change it to 0. Add a keyframe. Move forward a bit. Add another keyframe for 0. So what we want to do now is loop this animation from on to off. And you can do that by clicking this icon here, and then you scroll down. Under action clip, repeat, we want to increase this value. And if you press play, you'll see that the light will start blinking. So this is an easy way to make lights blink in Blender. I'll see you in the next video.